This is what's new, BMC AMI Ops Monitor for CICS. AMI Ops Monitor for CICS is version 7.2. General availability was January 2021. And the releases are regular intervals. And now that we're on continuous delivery, even more so. AMI Ops Monitor for CICS. The supported versions of the CICS transaction server is versions 5.6 down all the way back to 5.1. Enhancements for the family views, CJV MSRV. Family of views have been enhanced with the following new view fields and action commands that are supported in version 5.6 of CICS transaction server. The new view that displays the new attributes for the JVM server resources. The attributes support the path names for the Java home directories and working directories and the JVM profile, in addition to the output path names for the log and sysout, stdout, stderr, and trace files. New hyperlink to the CHIS queue, CHIS unit of work. The unit of work expand context hyperlink displays for the MPD that allows you to set the context and the time range that you could search and find with this same business unit of work as the task you selected. The new CJVM EPT family of views. This enhancement provides the new family of views that displays the JVM endpoints created by the JVM servers in Transaction Server 5.6. The endpoints can be enabled and disabled using the enable and disable action commands. See the CJVM and enhancements to these views. In this release, these changes included adding enhancements to data view collection and removing obsolete data, adding and changing hyperlinks to other views, and reformatting to make views more useful. See these changes in 7.2. Also, if you're considering a migration, please review the migration considerations. All right, AMI Ops CICS version support 7.2 supports CICS transaction servers 5.6, 5.5, 5.4, 5.3, 5.2, 5.1. Note, all release notes can be found at docs.bmc.com. Thank you for watching. Release notes, what's new? BMC AMI Ops for DB2. It was generally available in January 2021. That's DB2 12.2 for the AMI Ops product. AMI Ops DB2 version 12.2. The AMI Ops monitor for DB2 can now dynamically discover and manage new DB2 targets. Installation and maintenance is available, and following procedures in the updating and installation system. Install the product as explained in the install doc. AMI Ops Monitor for DB2 version support is IBM versions 11 and 12 are supported. IBM CICS Transaction Server 5.6 and 5.5 are supported, and IBM IMS 15.2 and 15.1 are supported. BMC AMI Ops Monitor for IMS. What's new in AMI Ops Monitor version IMS version 5.5, GA January 2021. The ability to filter, trace, and data collection using exclusive criteria. The replacement of the past journal hyperlinks to the past journal view. All hyperlinks to the past journal interface now link to the past journal view. Inclusion of customization information for the product documentation space. See sections for BMC AMI Ops Monitor for IMS online documentation space. And the inclusion of customization information on the product documentation. AMI Ops Monitor for IMS version support. Version 5.5 supports IBM IMS 14.1, 15.1, 15.2. CICS Transaction Server 565554, and the ZOS operating system version at docs.bmc.com on not only IMS version of AMI-Ops for IMS, but all versions of the products. Thank you very much for watching What's New with AMI-Ops Monitor.